This is Bill North of Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we are going to change out our Xantrex control panel to the Bluetooth unit. It's a quick and easy install. Now you can see this new one says Bluetooth right here, and here's our old one. Here's our old one, and you can see it does not have the Bluetooth symbol right next to it. It should be a simple change out. There's just 2 screws, and I think all we can do is just turn it off. Now I'm not sure why Newmar didn't install the Bluetooth one to begin with. There's only a $50 difference between the 2 units. This is a 2024 Baystar, Newmar Baystar, and everything else in the coach is Bluetooth. The jacks, the awning, all the TVs, the soundbar. So I'm not sure why they didn't put Bluetooth in it to begin with. But it's only an it's only $50 difference between the 2. Now I ordered it from Camping World, and when you go onto the Camping World website, you usually get a 10 or 15% off coupon. So I ordered through their website, used the coupon, it was $111, and shipping was free. And it didn't ship from Camping World. It actually came from Xantrex directly. So here's the model number, and it does not come with instructions. It comes with a barcode that you have to scan to get the instructions. It's just 2 pages of instructions, and I would recommend printing them. It doesn't say a whole lot, but the most important things, it tells you how to pair it, and it tells you which app to load on your phone, depending on whether you have an Apple or a Android phone. Let's get started on the install. So all we should have to do is take these 2 screws out, and the cable looks like the same. The new one comes with like 20-some feet of cable, but online it looks like the exact same cable. So it should just be plug and play. We're going to turn off the inverter first though. And I'm going to turn the batteries off, so it's going to get dark. Well, that's still on. So that's on, that should be off. So let's unscrew it and get going. Here's these 2 screws. There it is. We should just be able to unplug it. Kind of dark in here. There it is. Put all those wires in there. And put the new one in. There she goes. It's probably going to want to pair something. That was like the simplest install ever. Turn the batteries back on. It was already turned on. So let's peel off this plastic. Turn the lights back on in here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we just got to pair a phone to it. The name of the app is FXC Control. So all I did was turn it on and it found the device. So I think I just got to turn the Bluetooth on and pair it. Looks like it just... Oh wait, that was turning it off. Device. Crap. It actually found it, and I should have tapped it instead of clicking the Bluetooth. There it goes. Now it's connecting. There it is. So here's the home screen. You can tell that we're connected to shore power. There's the hertz, there's the voltage, 119.7. We're using 135 watts of 120. And our batteries are at 100% at 13.5 amps. And the current load on the batteries is 3 amps. Here's our settings. You got all kinds of alarms you can set up. Low battery. And right down here you can pick the type of batteries that your coach has. And you can even put in a temperature sensor on your batteries if you want to. So the Bluetooth app should be way easier to use than the control panel, because to change some of the settings, you've got to hit a sequence of buttons and know what the codes to press. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next adventure. See ya!